Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Your Jio Sim must be 5G eligible and your plan activated. Once done, check that your phone supports required 5G bands and has the latest OS updates. Make sure VO LTE is turned on because Jio routes voice over LTE. Insert the SIM into the primary slot, enable mobile data, and reboot the phone. This initial push gets the network handshake started. Without these steps, 5G won't register, so act now and move to network settings next. Now you go into settings to force registration. Open Network and Internet, tap your Jio SIM, and set preferred network to 5G/4G/3G or 5G/NR Auto, so your phone will choose 5G where available. If there's an advanced APN or operator profile option, verify APN matches Jio defaults. Make minor edits only if you know the values. Once these are set, save and let the radio reconnect. If you don't see 5G immediately, toggle airplane mode to finish, verify you see the 5G icon and run a speed test to confirm throughput. If speeds are low or no 5G appears, make sure you're in a covered area and that network mode is still 5G/NR Auto. You can refresh carrier settings in the My Jio app or request a SIM swap if the card is old. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode, power cycle the phone, and reinsert the SIM. If that fails, contact Jio support to check provisioning or signal in your location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.